AWA-Tutor is a web-based tool that teaches rhetorical writing through several activities as a pedagogic intervention. It also collects students' trace data as they use the tool. When students log into the tool, they're first required to complete a matching exercise. They match instructors' rubric elements that correspond to sample sentences containing rhetorical structures. The interactive drag and drop interface responds to students' moves by turning green if matched correctly and red if not. This allows students to experiment and easily learn from examples. When the task is completed, the tool captures time spent on this activity and redirects students to the next task. Here, students are given a sample revised essay that was improved by the instructor with the inclusion of rhetorical moves, connectives, and other changes. This serves as an exemplar from which students can learn the kind of revisions that can be made to a text for improving its quality. The next task requires students to assess the provided text with guiding questions. This is to help them practice self-assessment for their own essays. Their responses to the questions are stored in the database. Based on their assessment, students are then asked to revise the given text to improve it in this revision task. They can click on the Check My Writing button to receive automated feedback on rhetorical structures in their text. A guide is provided with explanations on the moves to understand the automated feedback with examples. Students can reflect on the highlighted moves, edit their text further, and request for feedback again. They can repeat this process as many times as required, and their requests are stored in the database. The tool also stores the drafts of students every minute to capture their revision process. The task can be completed individually or in pairs. Students then assess their revised essays by answering questions. In the last page, students answer feedback questions about the task. They get to download their own improved essay and a sample revised essay from their instructor for further reflection. All their responses and download history are stored in the database upon submit. AWA-Tutor thus acts as an effective platform for teaching writing skills by embedding automated feedback and for collecting data in authentic classroom settings.